guys are having a good time. So last week we had a class on how to start a ready-to-wear. We did the whole process of understanding your niche and all of these things. But it was after we have over 1,000 plus participants in the class. So it was after that I saw comments on the WhatsApp comment section that a lot of people that are interested and they are clicking on the link, but the group is filled. Quite unfortunately, I don't know how many participants a WhatsApp group can contain. I don't even expect it to be over 1,000, but it was over 1,020 plus people that are on the group currently. I'm going to put a screenshot on the screen. So what's going to happen now to those that actually miss the class, which I don't like that, is that I'm going to be doing the recap of the class on Thursday, this coming Thursday. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the link below so that you're not going to miss. Before the group gets filled, go ahead and click the link below right now in order to get access to next class, which is going to be on this Thursday. This Thursday, I'm going to share the whole process of getting into the ready-to-wear, why you need to get into the ready-to-wear. Do you even know that the richest man currently is into this business of ready-to-wear? Even know about Louis Vuitton? Bernard Arnault is one of the richest man on the planet right now, and he's working with Louis Vuitton fashion brand and all this stuff. So I'm going to share the reason why you should get into it. And for you to understand is that for you to get a better knowledge of why you need to learn this is that, you see, there's a limit to how long you can sit down and wait for a customer to bring clothes, how long you can sit down and wait for people to bring clothes to your shop and sew it. And for how long can you get and repeat this thing? 60 years, 70 years. So you have to understand how to structure big, how to go bigger, how to constantly improve yourself and get better at all of these things. So I'll be sharing the whole process of how to start a ready-to-wear this Thursday. And on Friday is going to be the general class. So if you're seeing this video right now, go ahead, click the link and join. On Friday is going to be the general class where I'm going to share the whole basic principle on how to do this. And in the class, I'm going to share, because I believe this is the only one thing that is holding you down, the universal measurement you can use to kickstart your production, which is the medium, the small, medium, large, extra large, extra large, extra large, and 3 extra large, and all those measurements. That's what I use for my own ready-to-wear, and you can use it also. I'm just going to drop the measurements in the class. If you're interested, go ahead and click the link, join, and I will be there with you. I'll be waiting for you. So that will be about it. I'm really sorry that I don't really know how many people you can take in a WhatsApp group. Sometimes you see a group with over 2,000 members. You see some group with like, I think 80 or 100 members. It's just crazy. So, and the reason why I'm using WhatsApp is that everybody find it easy to navigate WhatsApp and chat and connect instead of Telegram. But eventually, after the class on Friday, everything that we're going to learn in the class, I'm going to be putting it on a Telegram class, so everybody can go ahead to the Telegram and have access to it forever, for as long as they can. They will have access to the class on how to start ready-to-wear, all the measurement details. You can throw your phone number away in 3-4 years, you can still come back and still have access to it. So that's what is going to happen. So I hope you guys have a good day. That will be about it. If you're interested, go ahead, click the link, and I'll see you in the class. That's about it.